Hello everybody and welcome to the blackout plan. I have today bought my first solar panel. It's 160 watts, 12 volt, 20 amperes. And it's a kit, so you get a lot of things with them. I don't need that. I don't need that. But what's interesting is I think the cable is wrong at the back side of it. It's not MP4. So we're gonna open it up and see what we got. And I know I'm in the sunshine opening this up, but we're gonna drag it out with the solar panels down on the table. That's where I have a blanket over there. So let's open it up. Actually, there is nothing connected to this panel. That's good because I have bought some a crimping tool from Amazon, but it's not here yet. So then I can connect it with MP4 plugs and then we go. And there are screws. I didn't think it was like this, but it's quite heavy. .5 kilos. Okay. Well, I'm quite happy with that. That is that it's no connection here, so I can put the right ones over there. I'm going in and checking if I don't have the crimping tool, but I have MP4 connectors, but that won't help me right now. But when the Amazon stuff gets here, we will see what we can do. So hang on. Okay, several hours later, I've received the tool I needed to. I never used this with something like this, so this will be the first time for me. So let's see what we can do here. I'm pretty novice at this. So we need a female connector to this one, and that's this one, I think. Yes, and the male for the other, and that's the one. So let's do this. Okay, I need to get my panel that I'm connecting, so it seems like the black one is gonna get this one. So we do it like this. Oh, we need a male to the black. This is really the first time I'm doing stuff like this, so no. Wait a minute. And this can't be wrong, can't be right. Oh, this is so confusing. I need to plug that in there, so I need, yeah. Oh. So I need a male. Where did this come from now? It's this one, okay. Okay, that's that one. And I need this one. So I need a male for the black. would be nice if I took out the crimping tool first. And you see, I can't do anything. I don't even know how you. So this should be something like 4 millimeters, no, 6 millimeters maybe. This is not good. Like that. And you put the cable in. Like that. And then you do something like this. That's not optimal, but it would work. And then we put this one on with this one. And we put this one in here. As you can see, it takes me a while to figure this out, but that's the point of doing this, is to figure it out how you're doing, or how you do it, because I'm just an amateur. Maybe there is somebody out there who has done this 100 times and think I'm stupid, but I don't care. I'm learning as I go. Well, that's better than the first one. Much better. So we take this, and we take this. Should it be that way? No, it should be that way. Now we do it like this, and we press it in, and it should, for the last one clicked in. Maybe like that. And we put that one in. And we put that one in. Now, this should go in there, like that. Yeah. And that one should go in there like that. Do not disconnect on the load. Now we come to the big thing here. We're gonna test it and see if it works, but there is pretty low solar now. There is no solar. The sun is gone almost, so we should. Well, I managed to get a small spot with sunshine, and seems like it's getting in 48 volts. Not much, but As you can see, the sun is setting here, so maybe it could be better result. But the important thing, it's working and it's getting solar. So the next step is to mount this panel somewhere, and I bought some longer cables, so we're gonna mount them. Now I've done it for the first time in my life, connecting MP4 to the cables, and I'm so happy that it works, because I really had looked at a lot of YouTube videos to figure this out, or not to figure that out, but it's a bit of trial and error on this channel, so stay with me, I will get better, I promise you. But it seems to be working, and I will test it more when it's more sunny. So the delivery from Amazon was quite late, because it's 7 o'clock here and the sun is setting. You know, Sweden, we don't have a lot of sun. But it's charging, even though it's very little sun. Maybe we can put it up a bit that it get more sun. Let's see here. I did this, but it's not getting anything. The sun is gone. I will try it in the morning and we'll get back to you when the sun is stronger. It's the next day. Now we have some more sunshine. So now we put the panel over here. There's sun all over the panel, as I can see, and we will plug it into the EcoFlow Delta 3 Plus and see. Taking this one like that. And now we will see how much it brings in. This is exciting. Input 34, 46. I think that's quite bad. For 160 volts, that's really bad. 40. Maybe if we adjust the panel a bit. Like this, maybe. See, 50, 51, 47, 45, 57, 50. Well, it's charging, but it's nowhere near 160 watts. Jumping all over the place. 82, 42, 57, 54. Yeah. Yeah, well, it works anyway, but it's 100 watts too little for power, I think. Maybe we should, I get more power in the smaller 100 watt panel that I have. And maybe we should tilt it a bit, see what happens. Like this, like that. Maybe more direct sunlight. Well, now it's 61, 59. I don't know if you can see it because it's so bright. 60. At this rate, it's going to take 2 hours to recharge this battery. So, okay, it works, but it's not satisfactory where I put it. Maybe if you put it up there. Well, I will let you know about the results if I remember it. So until then, please subscribe, There are more to come. We're gonna put it up on the wall. Maybe not on this side, I don't know. I haven't decided that yet. But then we're gonna plug it into my office and we will have it to charge the power station. But I need to do some more testing first. There's, I think, 50 watts, 40-50 watts is not good for that solar panel. I think it should be at least 100. But okay, see you next time. Bye bye. Okay, I did another test and I put it up here instead. And now we're showing 145 watts. So that is pretty good. I'm happy with that. So that's much better. So we need to put them like that to get the most sun. Okay, bye bye again.